Do you want to know how you can play or bet on numbers game using 1xBet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can bet or play numbers game using 1xBet. So go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to Google search bar or go to the search bar and search for numbers game 1xBet and click on the first link which appears on your screen, and it will take you to the numbers game site of 1xBet. You can also find the numbers game somewhere around this site, so you can go ahead and explore where you can find it, or else you can save your time and just go ahead and search for numbers game. So you can see that this is the numbers game over here. Let's go ahead and start the betting. We can see that you can bet on all of these games as well. And you can see all of these numbers over here. You can select these and you can see the betting already started over here. You can go ahead and click place a bet as well, and you can see the minimum and maximum stake from here, and you can change the odds over here as well and click place a bet. Make sure that you do have some money on your account, because your bet won't be placed if you don't have your deposit on your account. So guys, this is how you play a numbers game on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.